Is it online? I think I have some connection here. Alright, let me just go ahead and think. Alright, there we go. Okay. So I have some secure connection. Okay, I think I'm getting through. Okay. Alright, so I've been stuck in this mirrorverse for, I don't know, I think this is like day 9, right? Day 8 maybe, I don't know. It's like a huge crack in the wall. I'm not sure if this dimension's falling apart or what's happening. I haven't been seeing anything recently. Everything's been looking fine. I haven't been feeling too weird, luckily. But now, however, I came here into my studio and this was freaking sitting here. A giant freaking vending machine. Yeah. This big guy right here. And what's really weird is this thing is like warped or something somehow. I've come up with the term a warped figure because it's running, it's on, and it's not plugged in. There's no back. So I don't know what it's doing down here. It's just sitting here being weird. I'm going to attempt to interact with this object. I think I'll be fine. Screw it. Yeah, Skittles. One bug. Okay, so interaction with the object was successful. I got Skittles, yay! And so, yeah, so that's the vending machine right now. This is entry log 1 on, well, I guess warped figures. Vending machine. I will try to come back online if I can. Be reaching databases through this mirrorverse. And, and I'll try not to die from an MC, or a giant centipede, or oh, for crying out loud, that first entity, entity 1. I'm currently extremely confused. Who's there? What's going on? Oh. Okay. Wait, what? It was just here. What? Why is the sign still here? What in the world was that thing? What in the... What? Why is there a freaking flamingo staring at me? That's creepy. What the... Heck. Wait, where he went? Bro. What in the...
You brought it upon yourself now.
What?
Just face it.
No!
The consequences
Stop, please!
are here.